Welcome everyone. This is a series where we sit down with incredible innovators, pioneering AI right here in Australia, doing amazing things for customers. And today we're joined by Willem Paling, who leads a lot of the AI initiatives at IAG. Now, we all know that insurance is a super complex industry. The problems are very, very diverse, ranging from responding to major catastrophes, dealing with supply chain challenges, and of course, continuously optimizing for incredible customer experiences. William, welcome.
Thank you.
It's so good to have you here. So you're doing amazing things, Willem, in terms of the outcomes you're delivering, but you have a construct, a mental model that I find really interesting and quite curious as it relates to CRISPs and how these apply to your thinking with respect to AI. Can you tell us a little bit more about that to kick us off?
A couple of years ago during COVID, I took a sabbatical. I worked at Woolworths, and the absolute highlight of that was learning more about innovation in manufacturing potato chips. If you go back to the 70s, they had like literally 6 people on the production line pulling out the green chips and the brown chips and the little lumps and so on. And over that period of like 50 years now, they've gone from being able to take out 70% of the bad chips to being able to take out well over 99% of them. In the last sort of 5-10 years, it's really accelerated with the advent of AI, and that's how they've got to that point of taking out over 99% of them. And so I think that's a wonderful analogy for the kind of improvement we can expect in our lives from AI.
Maybe, if you wouldn't mind, bring that to life for us in the context of maybe some real use cases you're deploying today and how that mental model applies.
When you've had a claim, getting your house fully repaired can take a while. You've got to get trades around and you've got to organise all the different trades to do the work. What this enables us to do is to identify every time consistently, more consistently than we can relying on people alone, which claims we need to prioritise and make safe for and get in there and get that fixed and ensure that our customers' homes are safe. You know, we're supporting customers when they're recovering from motor accidents, when they're recovering from injuries, when they're recovering from from damage to their homes. It's really meaningful for our team and for the claims team and for the technology team to be able to see what they've supported in all of that.
Willem, in an industry where knowledge and context are everything, how do you see Gen AI redefining the role of an expert in your context? This
is really interesting in that our most complex, highest expertise claims, a lot of them are in CTP, which is people recovering from injuries sustained in motor accidents. And so you might have case files that go on for 2-3 years, and they get pretty big.
Yep.
It might take someone 3-4 hours to get up to speed on it. This is the kind of thing that Gemini can be provided with that context. It can provide a summary and someone's able to get up to speed in 15-20 minutes.
Yeah.
And so you can imagine what that does for our claims consultants and for our customers, in that you call up with a claim and the consultant is unavailable or is no longer there. Your new consultant's able to get up to speed in no time at all, and to be able to provide the support with you rather than running around in the background doing admin on the claim. So it's going to be a pretty incredible uplift of how much knowledge they have at hand and how much time they're going to be able to shift from following process to supporting our customers. And goal for us is to move towards customer-centred care.
Thanks not only for joining us today, but for allowing us to join you on what is an incredible path that you're undertaking with respect to AI. And from all of us at Google, thank you.
Thank you.